Okay, let's take a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I'm not studying right now. I'm just studied my MBA, and now I'm preparing myself for further studies.
Okay. Do you think handwriting is still important?
Yes, I think so. Handwriting is very important even in future. We are living in global village and we have to compete with other children all over the world. So we need writing skills in our professional life.
All right. Do you think computers might one day replace handwriting?
No, I don't think so, because handwriting is an art. I don't think so. Okay,
I don't think
think
that computers.
a computer will replace handwriting.
Okay.
We need resumes and formal letters in professional life. So.
All right. Do you usually write by hand or write using a computer or mobile?
It's depend on situation.
It depends.
It depend on situation. When I'm texting or email my friend, so I'm using a smartphone or computer. But when I am connecting with the professionals, so I just write an email on computer.
All right. When do children begin to write in your country?
Children in my country start their schools in at the age of 4, but they start writing at the age of 5.
Okay. Do you think handwriting will die in the future?
No, I don't think so. Handwriting will die in the future because
Okay, give you the feedback. The first thing is some of your answers are very short. You need to add further detail. The second thing is when you answer, you tend to repeat the same words. So there is a lot of repetition. Try to come up with new words. Another thing, don't use present continuous. Use present simple. In speaking, they usually ask you questions in present continuous. So, present simple. So you should answer in present simple tense. Okay. And overall, be confident, and at least there should be 4-5 sentences in your answer. Right.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you very much.